two trending biotech slash biopharma stock that have been trending over this weekend: ENTA and MLTX. ENTA gained only 1.94% in the regular session of Friday, the 26th of September. However, in the post-market session, it gained 18.06. All of that is down to the highly anticipated data release expected tomorrow, the 29th. Yeah, it is fueling heavy community speculation around the potential for a breakout if the results confirm meaningful viral load reduction. Traders are aware pointing out to or pointing to the company's strong balance sheet and established expertise in antivirals as key advantages, noting that positive outcomes could open the door for the company to capture significant share in the emerging adult RSV therapeutics market. While some investors are cautious about the binary nature of clinical trial readouts, sentiment leans bullish, with many suggesting that even partial success could drive momentum and position the company as a serious player in the RSV treatment landscape. So, this binary nature of clinical trial results is, if it's positive, one, then the selling will occur. Two, yeah, because it's usually the case. In a lot of cases, not in all cases. In some cases, it's buy the news. They are buying it now. It's up 18.06%. And then if the news is good, they sell. Of course, if it's also bad, they will also sell as well. Yeah. So the anticipation has been, they've bought the anticipation. So you have to be aware of that. The anticipation is, they've bought it already. They may continue to buy before the readout comes out. In the pre-market session, they may continue to buy. And then if the news turns out to be positive, it may spike and then decline. So this is all you need to be aware of. Intraday high for ENTA $10.5. This is the 4-hour chart that has reflected what that spike, that 18% gain. So the extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong up till Thursday, the 2nd of October. Then after that, we may have a contraction, but that may not be the case. As I've been pointing out, it may decline. Sorry, it may, if the news is positive, it may begin to decline before the market closes. So yeah, you can even see the stock has been printing high prices since the anticipation has been going on since Tuesday the 23rd. It's been going on. Yeah. So you need to be very much aware of that. Okay, so in terms of projections, what do we have? We already have 10.5 tested already. 10.5 tested and confirmed as a rejection, a resistance. As such, it is an upper projection, especially in the interim as well. In the short term, just a couple of hours old. Okay, so price pressure momentums, we have 18. Yeah, sorry, the 10 period moving average strongly bullish, trending solidly. However, we have a robustly negative second derivative indicating that people are, yeah, profit taking is already taking place. Yeah. And yeah, for the 21 period moving average as well, robustly trending. You can see negative derivatives and they are not fractional, they are robust, indicating that, yes, confirming selling is also going on. You need to be very much aware of that. The prospect of it declining when the news comes out is that probability is quite high. Yeah, it is quite high. So let's see previous projections. What were they saying? 9.3, 8.74, 8.68. Since it started trending, did anything go as high as $10? No, nothing like that. Nothing did. The projections didn't calculate anything as high as that. 9.3. We could just quickly glance at the 1 minute chart. Let's see whether it calculated anything that bullish. 9.29. Let's see what it did. 9.91, 9.52, 9.8. Okay, 9.91. Yeah, 10.05. I've seen that. 8.06. Okay, nothing like that calculated on the 1 minute chart. Let's quickly have a look at the 3 minute chart. 9.5. Yeah, yes, we have 10.68, 11.32, 11.71. Yeah, okay, let's return to the 2 minute chart. What we have here is 10.50, yeah, 10.50. Let's see, 10.05, yeah, 11.05, 11.81, 12.27. Okay, yeah, just be very much, just get ready for, get ready, just be ready for what's going to happen. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at MLTX. Okay, gained 9.95% in the post-market session. Let's see what it gained in the regular session. MLTX. Okay, okay, it didn't change that much. So the company released its phase two trial for hidradenitis suppurativa therapy, but it wasn't of recent, but people are still talking about it. But there's also more to come out. There's also an anticipation of the company indicated that it's going to release some trial outcomes, some phase, I think phase three or thereabout. But I know the phase two wasn't so recent. I think it was as of the 5th of August or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but people were talking about it surely. But in any case, it didn't gain much in the post-market session. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to contract. Contract expansion has been in place since the 24th of September. Yeah. So yeah, it may or may not do that as well. So but the fact that the stock is has been showing a lot of strength since then. If anything positive comes out, expect selling to occur. It may not occur immediately, but surely profit taking is what you should be expecting to occur. Projections currently saying 60.46. Okay, though that's not even that's actually a downward projection. We have the stock closed at 61.99, intraday high 62.75. But it may have higher prior projections. Okay, yeah, it does have 65.11. Yeah, it actually has 62.9. It's just fractionally above that intraday high. And indeed, it has downward projections as well. It has downward projections. Yeah, 60.46, 56.68, 59.53, 60.97. Okay, I've seen that. Yeah. Further downward projections. We have 51.73, 52.34, 53.30. For upper projection 63.23. Yeah. So okay, here, okay, for some reason, okay, for good, whatever reason is, the 10 and 21 period moving average are robustly trending. Nothing negative on the based on its derivatives. It does not mean people are not taking profits already. Yeah, you can see the 21 to second day moving average is sorry, the second period moving average on the 10-day moving average is fractional, indicating that yes, some selling has gone on, and the negative the second derivative on the 21 period moving average is also validating that as well. Yeah, so just have a look at these stocks. There's a good chance that come the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 29th, they may still be trending. Yeah, especially ENTA. So I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.